tipsy, slightly drunk after drinking a small amount of alcohol. I am not drunk, just a little tipsy. I am feeling a little tipsy after 2 glasses of wine. Buzzed, slightly drunk, feeling the early effects of alcohol. Are you buzzed or completely drunk? I am not drunk, just a little buzzed right now. Intoxicated. Under the influence of alcohol or drugs. Don't talk to him right now, he is intoxicated. The police arrested him for driving while intoxicated. Wasted. Extremely drunk, usually to the point of losing control or awareness. I saw him completely wasted at the bar. My brother was totally wasted last night. Hit the bottle. To start drinking alcohol, usually heavily or regularly. Lately, he has been hitting the bottle too much. After losing his job, he started hitting the bottle every night. Sloshed. Very drunk, having consumed a lot of alcohol. He got completely sloshed at the wedding last night. Stop drinking, you are already sloshed. Sober. Not drunk or not affected by alcohol. I am completely sober, so I can drive us home. I am driving tonight, so I will stay sober. Blotto. Extremely drunk, almost unconscious and unable to function properly. They were blotto and singing loudly in street. I have never seen him this blotto before. Hammered. Very drunk, usually after drinking too much alcohol. He was hammered and talking nonsense all night. I don't remember anything, I was hammered. Plastered. To be very drunk after drinking too much alcohol. Don't drink too much, or you will get plastered. He came home totally plastered last night.